listening to WALX 100.9 FM, bringing you the greatest classic hits, news, and more. Here's the local forecast of Selma and nearby areas. Today's high temperatures are 60 degrees and the low.
The civil authorities have issued a blue alert for all of Alabama beginning at 4:48 p.m. and ending at 5:03 p.m. The state of Alabama has issued an emergency blue alert. The Alabama Law Enforcement Agency asks for your assistance in locating Gail Hunt. Hunt may be traveling afoot and is believed to be a serious risk to the public. Hunt was last seen on January 30th, 2026, at approximately 10:30 and wearing a blue shirt, khaki pants, and black shoes near the 600 block of 7th Street in Linton, Alabama. Hunt is known to wander aimlessly, run away from perceived threats, and wander into traffic. If you have any information regarding Hunt, please contact the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency at 256-540-0072 or call 911.